Hello my lovelies, and welcome back to the heart of my home. In today's episode we are going to be creating one of my favourite recipes called black lentil dal or soup. Really hearty, earthy, great blood sugar balancer, fabulous to reduce cholesterol, excellent for heart health. So let's get on to looking at the ingredients. So the ingredients for the black lentil dal or soup are a cupful of black lentils. We will also need for the making the gravy and the soup, we're going to need a couple of onions. So I'm going to be using some ginger, a couple of cloves of garlic, some ghee. The tomato is optional. I'm going to add tomato to this recipe. The herbs I'm going to be using are cumin for its antimicrobial properties, very good for digestive issues. I've got some dried fenugreek or methi leaves here. I've also got some whole coriander or masala mix, and add salt or seaweed as required. That's it. Let's get these ingredients together. The first stage is to prepare the lentils. Now this is where we get the therapeutic value of this recipe. This recipe can't be rushed. So the first thing I do is I will wash the lentils. So we mix them up together, we give them a good rinse until it's nice and clean. Then I will generally soak it for a couple of hours, preferably overnight. Now, if you're if you don't have time to do that, then there are two options available. The first is the hot pot or the crock pot version, which is you wash the lentils, you place them in the crock pot, and you fill it with water. To that, I add the ginger. So we chop up the ginger and we add that. We slice a green chili and we add that to the crock pot. And we're going to add a spoon of turmeric and a spoon of Himalayan pink salt. And then you're going to put the lid on the crock pot and you're going to leave it to cook. You can either leave it to cook during the day, so it will take about 6 to 8 hours on low setting, or half the time on a high setting. The second version is you will leave the lentils to soak overnight. Now this removes the acidity. It also allows the lentils to really drink or hydrate by taking in the water. And then we will put it on the gas in a deep stainless steel pan. And again, we will add the green chili. I will add the fresh ginger to it. I will also add some turmeric and a teaspoon of salt or a vegetable stock cube. And then I will let that cook for a good 2 to 3 hours. So those two options are available to you. Now I'm going to show you how to make the gravy or put the spices together to add to the black lentil soup.